वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स से 25 क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इस चैप्टर का ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट स्ट्रक्चर इन लीव्स अलाउज द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज। ऑप्शन है ए सेल मेम्ब्रेन, बी स्टोमाटा, सी न्यूक्लियस एंड डी साइटोप्लाज्म। करेक्ट आंसर है बी स्टोमाटा। Next, what happens to nitrogen in the soil to make it usable for plants? Option, it is converted by sunlight. It is absorbed directly from the air. It is converted into a soluble form by bacteria. Next, it is synthesized from CO2. Correct answer is C. It is converted into a soluble form by bacteria. Next, what is the main function of guard cells in leaves? Option, to absorb water from the soil, to regulate the opening and closing of stomata, to synthesize carbohydrate, to transport minerals through the plant. Correct answer is option B, to regulate the opening and closing of stomata. Next, which part of the plant is known as food factory? Option is roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Correct answer is option C, leaves. Next, which of the following organisms are found as slimy green patches on ponds or on stagnant water? Option is fungi, bryophytes, bacteria, algae. Correct answer is option D, algae. Next, why are desert plants leaves often modified into spines? Option is to increase photosynthesis, to reduce water loss, to attract pollinators, and to store food. Correct answer is option B, to reduce water loss. Next, what is the primary purpose of adding fertilizers to the soil? Option is to increase sunlight absorption, to add nutrients, to retain water, to kill pests. Correct answer is option B, to add nutrients. Next, why do insectivorous plants trap insects? Option is to perform photosynthesis, to obtain nutrients like nitrogen from the insects, to produce seeds, to attract pollinators. Correct answer is option B, to obtain nutrients like nitrogen from the insects. Next, why are nitrogen fixing bacteria important for plants? Option, they produce carbohydrates for plants. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. They enhance the color of plant leaves. They protect plants from pests. Correct option is option B, they convert atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. Next, the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called. Option, heterotrophic nutrients, autotrophic nutrients, saprotrophic nutrients, and parasitic nutrients. Correct answer is option B, autotrophic nutrients. Next, what do you call the plants that derive nutrients from dead and decaying matter? Option, autotrophs, parasites, saprotrophs, and heterotrophs. Correct answer is option C, saprotrophs. Next, which of the following is an example of saprotrophs? Option, cascata, fungi, pitcher plant, rhizobium. Correct answer is option B, fungi. Next, which of the following is a parasite? Option, algae, cascata, mushroom, yeast. Correct answer is option B, cascata. Next, which of the following is not a raw material required for photosynthesis? Option A, carbon dioxide, B, water, C, oxygen, and D, sunlight. Correct answer is option C, oxygen. Next, what is the principal source of energy input to biological systems? Option, carbon carbohydrate from plants, light from the sun, nutrients from the soil, oxygen from the air. Correct answer is option B, light from the sun. Next, what type of relationship exists between fungi and algae in lichens? Option A, parasitic, B, competitive, C, symbiotic, and D, predatory. Correct answer is option C, symbiotic. Next, what do you call center of cell? Option cell membrane, rhizobium, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Correct answer is option C, nucleus. Next, the organisms make the organisms which make food themselves from simple substance is called option autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprotrophs, and parasites. Correct answer is option A, autotrophs. Next, the equation given below represents photosynthesis. X plus water dash sunlight chlorophyll dash glucose plus Y what? Option X CO X carbon dioxide, Y oxygen, B X oxygen, Y carbon dioxide, C X carbon dioxide and Y H2, D H2 Y O2. Correct answer is option A X CO2 and Y O2. Correct answer. Next, nutrients are substances present in nutrients, plants, foods, water. Correct answer is option C, foods. Next, saprophytes obtain their food from green plants, plant, decaying wastes, all of these. Correct answer is option C, decaying wastes. Next, raw materials used for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, both A and B, and next, none. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next, leaves have a network of veins to transport materials in them. The correct pair is veins rod, veins pavement, veins speed breaker, and veins bridge. Correct answer is option A, veins road. Next, plants get nitrogen from air, soil, animals, all of these. Correct answer is option B, soil. Next, soil in which insectivorous plants grow is deficient in A, phosphorus, B, sulfur, C, nitrogen, and D, all of these. Correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Next, which of the following is a parasite? Option A, cell membrane, B, stomata, C, nucleus, and D, cytoplasm. Correct answer is option C, nucleus.